Welcome to Sir Go Maths channel. Today we are going to learn completing the square, and we have x squared minus 6x plus 4 equal to 0. So here, look at here, we have the coefficient of a is equal to 1. This is our general form. Then we write again, a equal to a, b equal to negative 6, c equals to 4. So here, don't forget, completing the square. Actually, we are focusing on b divided by 2, and then we square it. So now we write again our quadratic equations into this form. Then now we draw x multiply x, we have square, right? Okay, now this part we just draw a rectangle like this. 6 multiplied by x, have this rectangle, then equals to negative 4. Now as the coefficient of b is divided by 2, right? Divided by 2, so we cut this rectangle into half like this. So we have 3 here, and then we also have 3 here. So our coefficient be 6 divided by 2. Okay, coefficient b is divided by 2, we get 3 lah. So now we have x here, or both square here. So here we have the same square. Alright, we have finished for this part, and we use the beautiful square again. And write again this part, x multiplied with x, and then for this part we have the next square. So we write again here is x multiplied with 3, and then our third square we're using here is the next one. Okay, here before that we change the color first. And this part, the third square, now the third square is coming out already. So don't forget, we change the position of 3 and x here. So we put 3 here, and then we put x here, and then we check x multiplied with x, we will get x squared. And then we check 3 multiplied with x, we get 3x. 3 multiplied with x, we get 3x. So we check again, x squared, right? We have the x squared here, correct? So 3x and 3x, actually we have 6x, right? So now we move. Don't forget, we have 3 here, and then we put 3 here, and then the length of 3 here we also put here as the length of 3. So now we have the last square here. So we get 3 multiplied with 3, actually we get number 9. Now get the equation here, and we check again. We have x here and we have 3 here. So we put x first from here. If we write x, then we write again 3 here. So we check here, we know that it is negative sign, so we put here as negative sign. So now bracket square x minus 3. So here this length multiplied with this length, actually we get the square, right? Okay, correct. So we continue, equals, and then here we look at here, is the answer is negative 4. So we put here 9, we just put plus 9. Okay, so now we continue with our king like this. Negative 4 plus 9, how much we get? We will get 5, right? So now, in order to eliminate bracket square, what we should do? Yes, what we should do? Okay, we change the color first. Right, which color? This color, right? Okay, green color. So we square root both sides. And don't forget we have plus minus sign here. We write again, like this. Then we have plus minus sign square root of 5. And don't forget we have eliminated the bracket square, right? So don't write again bracket square, and we will erase that, right? We erase that. Okay, find again our eraser here. Okay, erase that. This is the correct one, right? So now we continue with our working. How we eliminate negative 3 here? What we should do? We should plus 3 on both sides of these equations, right? So after that we change color again. Right, now we have blue color. We have blue color. We have the final answer will be like this: x equal to plus positive square root of 5 plus 3 or negative square root of 5 plus 3. Then we continue by looking at our calculator. We calculate from there. What answer we get for positive square root of 5 plus 3? Quickly, let's calculate. We get 5.236 when we round off it. So we continue to find our next answer, negative square root of 5 plus 3. What we get? Right, we have x equal to 0.76. We round off, we have 4. Thank you.